This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Well, Coast Life, we are winding down here on our show, but that means dinner is fast approaching. And if you're getting hungry and you're not sure what you want to do for dinner, well, don't worry. Our friends at Benvenuto have you covered with this week's Dish of the Week. Let's see what's on the menu. Keeping those New Year's resolutions can be tricky, especially if eating healthier is one of your goals, but you don't want all the effort of meal prepping. Benvenuto and this week's Dish of the Week might be just the thing to keep you on track. I know that we're doing a salad here.
Yes, we are.
Glazed beet and avocado salad. Sounds delicious.
It is.
Sounds hearty and sounds very fresh.
It is. And you know, it's perfect this time of year. Look, who doesn't love beets in the fall, right?
Yeah.
And avocados, we get these from California all the time. They're wonderful, but we're going to put this thing together. Now, the first thing we have to do is I have some gloves back here for you. First thing we're going to do is we are going to peel some beets.
To peel the roasted beets, Chef Jesus says to take a towel and use gentle friction to separate the skin from the beet until they have that little bit of shine.
Okay, see, and that's what you should have when it's done, if you guys can see that at home. See that? All right, so you're going from this, all right, to this.
Once the beets are peeled, it's time to dice them up.
And then you're gonna cut them twice. See, just like that. All right, nice sharp knife. All right, so you wind up with pieces like that.
Gorgeous.
All right.
Chef Jesus keeps the seasoning easy. Just a little salt, a little pepper, and a little bit of honey. A little bit of sweetness to balance out the earthiness of the beets.
You go. Exactly. That's exactly what it is. I was gonna say that.
I got in your mind, right?
You did.
The salad itself doesn't have a ton of ingredients, so beautiful plating adds another layer of intrigue. On the bed of lettuce, you put those beautiful pink beets, then the green from the avocado really pops on top. For more gorgeous color and a little bit of citrus, Chef Jesus adds some orange slices as well.
All right, so now we have to make a dressing for this.
Yes.
All right, so that's where I think I'm gonna need your assistance. So what we're gonna do is, yes, take that whole top off there.
All right, so we got our blender.
And then what we'll do is, we're gonna remove that. And now, in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some lime juice.
You'll need the juice of 2 limes, honey, and add some Dijon mustard for some flavor, but also as an emulsifier.
And what that means is that's what's gonna hold the dressing together so it doesn't split. All right, we're gonna add a little bit of salt to this. All right, maybe a little bit more.
Okay.
We're gonna add a little bit of pepper.
Yum.
All right, and then we are going to put that back on, all right? And we are going to put that top on and just give it a little buzz, okay, to get things going. And then you're going to start drizzling that oil in there. And this is an extra virgin olive oil.
All right,
yep, it should be on. And then kind of, so just hit on right there. Yep. Did it come on for you?
It's just on, but I do have to hit a...
All right, so then pulse. And now you can just hit whatever one you want and it's going to pulse for you. There you go. All right, and once you get it going, then you can start. Now you can start pouring your olive oil in, all right, till you get the consistency that you want. That's all right. How's that looking? Good?
I think it looks good.
All right, let's take a look at it.
Here's the chef.
Yes, well, we're going to try it. We're going to try it out. All right, and if it's good, we'll give it a thumbs up. If it's not, then we'll start over again. All right? So we're going to take this
to the
top
back
off,
of the kitchen from you.
Right? Ooh, look at that. That looks good. All right, let's give it a try.
Ooh, okay. All right. Gotta get a little taste test. Nailed it?
That's good. That's really good.
Ooh, that is really good.
Once the dressing is ready, you drizzle on the salad and top it all off with a sprinkle of quinoa.
And a nice light dressing such as this one is wonderful for this because it's not going to overpower, you know, our beets or the avocado. And then last but not least, I like to just take a little bit of quinoa, all right, and just give this a little sprinkle, is what I call it. All right, a little sprinkle. And there you have it. Our
delicious
honey glazed beet.
Look at that.
Avocado salad with orange and quinoa with a honey lime vinaigrette.
I mean, is this not the most beautiful salad you've ever seen? It's bright, it's healthful, it's colorful, all the things I like to see in a salad, and especially this time of year where you know you're going to be doing a lot of heavy eating. Sometimes it's nice to have something a little light.
And very simple too.
Yes.
Very simple. It's just, you know, again, yes, it's very healthy. and it's light, but you know what? When I eat beets, I don't know. They're very satisfying to me, right?
They
You kind of feel like,
are.
wow, like I ate a steak.
You
right?
feel like you're one with the earth when you eat beets.
You really do.
All right, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything.
Yes, I want a little orange on mine.
I want the beet.
Yup.
I want a little bit of the quinoa sprinkle.
The sprinkle.
The sprinkle.
All right.
All right.
Cheers. See that?
All of those amazing flavors that we talked about. The sweetness of the honey, the citrus of the orange, the earthiness of the beet. It all comes together in this beautiful medley of flavor. And
It really is.
lucky for you, it's this week's Dish of the Week. So if you come to Benvenuto, you say, hey, I saw that really beautiful salad on Coast Life. You get 10% off your Dish of the Week.
Absolutely.
Right? Well, Chef Zeus, thank you so much, as always, for keeping us fed and happy
Yes, yes.
here on
Thank you for
Coast
being
Life.
here.
Of course. And keep your eyes peeled every week for our Dish of the Week right here on Coast Life, which there's more of that coming at you when we get back.